I'm loving the Urban Decay Brow Blade. It has two sides to it. So one is just a nice fine point to it, and then the other one, and that's kind of like a pencil. And then this one's almost like, reminds me of liquid eyeliner, but it's for your brows. So what's so cool is you can create hair-like strokes with that one. So what I usually do is start with this and just kind of fill in little tiny strokes where I want my brows thicker. And I did get a dark color because I have some dark brows. And I'm just gonna go kind of fast and show you that. Okay, and then this part, I'm gonna do the same kind of thing. And what's cool is this is waterproof and it's like a stain, so it does last a long time. See how it kind of even looks like little eyebrows? So you're getting the effects of microblading without the pain and at home and not permanent, right? Look how much thicker that is. I love how easy this is to use. The results turn out great. I could spend more time really making these thicker and better, but even just a few short minutes, I am good to go.